Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix OBS microphone not working. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, head to the bottom left corner of your screen and click the Start button. Once it opens, type Sound Settings into the search bar and click on it when it appears in the results. This will take you directly to your system's audio configuration panel, where you can manage all your input and output devices. Once you're in the sound settings window, navigate to the input section. You'll see a drop-down menu displaying your current microphone selection. This is crucial because if the wrong device is selected here, Windows won't route audio from your actual microphone to any applications, including OBS. Take a moment to verify that your correct microphone is showing in this drop-down. If it's not, click on the drop-down menu and select your proper microphone from the list of available input devices. This ensures Windows recognizes and uses the right audio source. Now that your system audio is configured correctly, go ahead and open your OBS application. This is where we'll make sure OBS itself is pointing to the right microphone, as the application has its own independent audio settings that need to match your system configuration. In the upper left corner of the OBS window, click on File to open the menu, then select Settings from the drop-down options. This will bring up the main settings panel where you can customize every aspect of how OBS captures and streams your content. In the left sidebar of the settings window, click on Audio. This section controls all audio inputs and outputs that OBS uses during recording or streaming, and it's essential that these settings align with what you configured in Windows earlier. Navigate down to the Global Audio Devices section. Here you'll see several drop-down menus for different audio channels. Click on the first Mic/Auxiliary Audio drop-down menu. This is typically where your primary microphone input should be assigned. From the list that appears, make sure to select your correct microphone, the same one you verified in Windows Sound Settings. Matching these settings ensures that OBS can properly capture audio from your microphone without any conflicts or routing issues. After selecting your microphone, click the Apply button at the bottom of the settings window. This saves your changes and applies them to your current OBS session, allowing the software to immediately start using the newly configured audio input. Finally, click OK to close the settings window and return to your main OBS workspace. Your microphone should now be working properly in OBS, and you'll be able to record or stream with clear audio. And that's how you fix OBS microphone not working, by ensuring both your system and OBS are using the correct input device. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.